Future Fleet, the future of trekking. In passenger transport, ensuring safety is not just a priority, it's a responsibility. At Future Fleet, we understand the critical importance of passenger safety. That's why we've developed SeatCheck, an innovative seatbelt monitoring solution designed to enhance safety on buses and coaches. Using advanced Bluetooth sensor technology, SeatCheck offers real-time monitoring of seatbelt usage across every seat in your fleet. With a glance at our user-friendly mobile app, drivers can instantly verify whether seats are occupied and if seatbelts are securely fastened. The SeatCheck app provides a seamless experience, ensuring safety checks are conducted from pre-trip to post-trip. This not only enhances passenger safety, but also reduces operational risks by ensuring compliance with safety protocols. This app is a perfect fit for the mining and oil and gas industries, where safety is paramount in the mass movement of workers. Future Fleet SeatCheck is best practice in passenger safety, innovating for a safer journey. SeatCheck's real-time notifications and violation reporting keep drivers informed every step of the way. With its easy wireless setup and configurable seating layouts, integrating SeatCheck into your bus or coach is simple and efficient. Available on both iOS and Android. Contact Future Fleet today for a free demonstration.